Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Alley in the Valley. It is Christmas. Can you believe? I don't even know where the year went. It is Christmas time, and I am gonna make one of my favorite garlic herb prime rib, which I love a great prime rib. And every Christmas, after turkey, I've had enough turkey. I mean, I love turkey, but I don't want turkey for Christmas. So for Christmas, I usually try to do something different. I usually do my deep fried chicken, but it takes 2 days. I'm just gonna do a really, really simple garlic rub prime rib. It's perfect. You put it in the oven, you cook it the right time, you cut it. It's always good. It's easy execution for anyone that wants to do something fancy but doesn't want to slave in the kitchen. So let's get started, and happy holidays, and I hope you had a great year. 2020's looking to be an even better year. But in the meantime, let's eat ourselves to happiness. So let's go. So I'm just gonna take a whole stick of butter and melt it down, and then I'm gonna cut up the garlic, the rosemary, the sage, the thyme, salt and pepper, and that's my dry rub. That's my rub right there. It goes into the oven at 450 for 15 minutes. Then I slow it down just like you do a turkey at 350, and you just let it cook. So per pound, you cook about, you gotta watch it per pound. So I would say this is probably gonna take me about 2 hours. This is about 8 cloves of garlic. Really, it depends on how much you like garlic. My family and I love garlic. Well, let me say I love garlic. My husband doesn't always like garlic. He says sometimes I make stuff too spicy, but guess what? My house, my kitchen, you're gonna eat what I like. Let's do rosemary. I'm going to peel all the rosemary off the stem. I absolutely love rosemary. It smells so good. It's perfect. I just melted 1 stick of butter. Now, you see my garlic. I chopped up like 8 cloves of garlic. Gonna put that in there, and my herbs. I put rosemary, thyme, and sage. You can do any herbs you like. These are my herbs. These are my go-to herbs. Well, not really. I have some other go-to herbs too. I'm just joking. Okay. So we're gonna make this like a paste. And then I'm gonna add salt and pepper. So I'm putting some sea salt and pepper. Now remember, this is the holidays. I'm not trying to be Miss Healthy. I'm trying to make sure it's yummy. When the holidays come, you gotta put your toe in it. You gotta put all your love in your food. It's not about, oh, let's be on a diet, because you're eating all day anyway. You go on a diet in January like everybody else. All right, so this paste that you see, let me taste it. That's the best. Oh my God. That butter taste, that's like butter taste. Okay. And we're just gonna lather it on top. Okay, now we're gonna put it in the oven for 450 for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it down to 325 and just let it cook. Can't get any more simple than that. Let me not drop it. Bye, baby. All right, 15 minutes, and we'll come back and we'll turn it down to 300 and let it cook. You can't get any easier than that. Let's do it. This beauty is done. My garlic rub prime rib is done. It's, 130, 140 temperature. It's been sitting for about 20 minutes. So it's time to cut this guy. So pretty. You can put whatever kind of sauce you love. I am just gonna cut it and show you how easy to make a prime rib for Christmas. A little bit of blood coming out, just like I like it. See, I like my meat a little rare, so you can cook it longer depending on how you like your meat. But let's try this. Oh yeah, mine's rare. Yes, it's perfect for my family. I like a little blood. Yep, I'm a little carnivore. All right, let's try it. It's moist. Look at that. You see how moist that is? That's like the restaurant. Allie Valley don't be playing. Garlic love prime rib. You know where to get the recipe. AllieInTheValley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I need your love. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Perfect Christmas. Easy. Throw it in the oven. Don't worry about it. Recipe. Garlic prime rib. Garlic rub prime rib. I hope you and your family have a fabulous Christmas. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Baby. I don't be playing. I just want you to know. I don't play.